And he actually came and complained to me there was a little bit of noise this morning. A little bit of noise because of the Eid prayer, because we had microphones outside. I've been sitting with him for about 10-15 minutes, trying to give him some food to take home, to make our brother satisfied. I said to him, he came here to complain, but I want you to take the food home. I want you to go home as a Muslim. And our brother here, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has opened up his heart to become Muslim. Brian, you're doing this on your own free will?
Exactly.
Okay. So Brian, you repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An. La. Ilaha. Illallah. Wa. Ashhadu. Anna. Muhammad. Abduhu. Wa Rasul. Allah. I testify. There is none. Worthy of worship except Allah. I testify that Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is Allah's humble servant and final messenger. My dear brother,
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar! Takbeers! Allahu Akbar! Takbeers! Allahu Akbar!
What are the keys, man? The keys. Welcome him to Islam. Welcome him to Islam. Rahma, Rahma.